Hi everyone, you've definitely experienced worry and stress in your life. What do you usually do to cope with them? Do you meditate, go for a walk, cry, or maybe read a book? The name of this book is Worry Therapy by Daniel Grippo. It's full of short practical points and even pictures to help you manage your worries. Thanks a lot, the author and the illustrator. I've read this book myself and I highly recommended it to you. Reading this book is a combination of reducing stress and improving your English. So, let's start reading together. Just remember, when you're reading an article or a book, you don't need to know every new words. Just try to understand the overall meaning and guess the unknown words. It's the best way to keep learning in English. So, let's dive into Daniel Grippo's mind. Worry is like the rain. A little can be good. Too much is destructive. Like a gentle rain, worry can be a gift from God, letting us know life is out of balance and needs fixing. Sometimes worry isn't so gentle. It pours down so hard we feel as if we're drowning in it. Yet we can learn to channel worry in positive directions. Just as we can waterproof a house, we can take steps to worry-proof our lives. We can't stop the worry from coming or the rain from falling, but we can make sure we have shelter when it hits. Make a list of what worries you. When you get worries off your chest and onto paper, you take away some of their power. You can begin to look at them more objectively. Look at your worry list and ask, what's my biggest worry today? Circle it. Ask yourself, what can I do to lessen this concern today? Then do it. Too often we only think about what's wrong in our lives. Next time you face a worrisome situation, ask yourself, what's right here? Balance your worries with hope and optimism. Listen to your self-talk, the messages you send yourself. Are you telling yourself, I'll never succeed at anything? or I'm always messing things up? Eliminate negative self-talk and watch worry wither away. Don't sweat the small stuff is great advice for worry wards. But working up a sweat is still a good idea because exercise allows your body to release all sorts of stress. Get a move on, outrun your worries. Get going on a worrisome task early in the day. That way, it loses its power to hold the rest of your day captive. If you're worried about something big in the future, plan ahead. What small steps can you take now to help you cut a big worry down to size? Some of the things we worry about are beyond our own ability to fix. When you're feeling overwhelmed by a problem, invite God into the situation through prayer. Eat well and wisely. Don't add poor nutrition or overeating to your worries. Make meals a time to socialize, to enjoy the company of family and friends, to celebrate life. Spend time in the great outdoors and observe nature at work. The grandeur of creation has a way of shrinking worries. Take a walk and tell worry to take a hike. When you get in touch with a good friend, you get in touch with the goodness, beauty, and the strength inside yourself. Cultivate the garden of friendship, and there will be less room for the weeds of worry to take root.